sensibility and practicality define the 2014 GMC Sierra 1500. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. It includes power seats, one-touch window functionality, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, and cruise control. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.